Hello, welcome to the channel Happy Village Life 4433. In this video, we are going to learn, how to find out certain search results based on a lookup value or based on a reference point. In this case, it's the name of the student. Okay, so here we have the data. In column B we have the name of students, then their subjects. We have in the first row like English, maths, biology, chemistry, and then the total. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm using a very short data. In practical life, the data could be much more, like there can be hundreds or even thousands of students in a good institution. So in that case, this technique is going to be very helpful for you if you want to find out the subject marks of a given student. Okay, so let's learn. First of all, let's select the entire range. This technique will also save a reasonable time for us. Equals to, in Excel, there's a function called rand between that gives you the random values based on bottom and top values defined. So rand between, okay, bottom value, let's define 33 as our bottom value or minimum value, you can say, and maximum value or maximum marks, in this case let's define the maximum marks as 99, right? Parenthesis closed. But because we have selected a range and we want to copy the entire formula in all the cells selected, so in this case you don't need to just press enter. Rather, you should first press Ctrl and then enter. Okay. One thing to note is that because these numbers are based or these marks are based on a formula, rand between formula, whenever you will press enter, these will keep changing. Okay, so in order to fix them, what you can do, you can select them, you can copy them with the help of Ctrl C, then you need to paste special. You need to use the paste special function or option in order to paste them as values. So the shortcut key for paste special is Alt H V S, okay, and then V, or you can select it with the help of mouse and OK. Now you can see the formulas have disappeared and now all these are the numbers or marks. So now let's put the formula here in order to fetch the required marks from this table. Okay, so the formula is called Vlookup. So let's learn. But before Vlookup, let's put if error. Like for example, if there would be any error, then this if error would help us to manage those errors. So if error Vlookup, okay, the search item would be the name of the student, which would appear here in this cell. Okay, so you need to fix the H with the help of $sign, okay, because you don't want this cell to move alongside your formula when you copy the formula to the right. Okay, comma, your table array would be, it should start from the search item. The search item is name, so then the range, the table array should also start from name. Okay, you selected the entire range. Use F4 key to fix the range, like it would assign the $sign and the entire range would get fixed. and it would not move alongside your formula. Now column index, you would uh, uh, how you can calculate the column index. Like you can see here, it's very straightforward. So name is your first column in the entire range, then this English is your second, maths third, and biology fourth, and chemistry fifth. Okay, so because you need all the results here together, so what you would do, you would use the curly bracket, and so your marks start from column number 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and then close the curly bracket, comma, lookup range. True would look for approximate match, but in this case we look for exact number, so false we would select. Okay, and we would close the bracket, comma, if error, then it should not show the error, so for that we would say empty, double quote means empty, and close the round bracket and enter. Okay, so now let's say we want to see the marks of Maqsood. So write the name here, Maqsood, press enter, and you can see all the marks are generated here for you. So you can verify them also, like English 72, yes 72, 39, 55, 53. Okay, similarly you can write the name of any of the students. Okay, so for example this time Khalid, then you can see the numbers of marks of Khalid being populated for you here. Okay, so I hope you like the video. You can subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.